Hello and welcome back to my channel with a brand new and a very special tutorial, because in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can enhance the quality of your pictures. Because sometimes you don't have camera or anytime you don't have camera, you want to take pictures with a smartphone but the quality is not good. So there's a problem, and I find the solution of that problem with an app called Remini. And as you saw in the thumbnail, I enhanced some pictures quality, and I'm going to prove that right here, and I am going to show you how you can enhance the pictures quality. So yeah, let's get started. The app is Remini. Okay, let's open the app. After opening, if you show you a preview, then click on skip. Here is the simple interface of this app. And let me tell you, this app is completely online. It means your internet connection should be on, and you must have a good internet connection or Wi-Fi connection. Then click on enhance, and if you show you a preview and some instructions right here how this works. So click on use it, and then I'm going to select the same pictures as you saw in the thumbnail of this video. I'm going to click on the picture of Alex Costa and click on crop, and then I'm going to crop it by 2:3 ratio. Zoom in. As you can see, he is completely out of focus and his face is blur, so I can enhance the quality and I can bring him in the focus back. So let's click on the check in the right corner, then click on the check in the middle and wait for it, and it can create your task. So here's the before and here's the after. You can see the quality of this picture. You can see you can look at his face is completely in focus. So now you can save the picture by clicking on the arrow in the right corner, and your picture is saved. So yeah, let me do the same with another picture. Okay, so here's the before and here is the after. You can see the quality of the picture. You can look at his face, it's completely enhanced. Okay, then click here and click on this arrow and save your picture. In the free trial of this app, you can enhance 10 pictures. I already enhanced 6 pictures, only 4 are left. So you can enhance 10 pictures in 24 hours. After you enhanced all the 10 pictures, you will have to wait for 24 hours, and then in next 24 hours you can enhance 10 pictures again. And here are amazing features right here. I'm going to tell you about this in the next video, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. When I upload the video, you will be informed.